Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you GPS drone with EIS 1080p camera and 5 GHz transmission for smooth FPV flight. Includes a 4.5 inches display, foldable design, and brushless motors. Features follow me, auto return, orbit mode, and gesture control. Built-in GPS provides stable flight and intelligent tracking. Includes a 32GB SD card, making it ideal for beginners and hobbyists. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have. We have a nice bag. First, user manual. And here we go. There are some cables, attachments, and screw packs, etc. And here's the remote controller with the 4.5 inches display. You can turn it on and off from there. Antennas. This is the bottom part. Here is the camera, 1080p. Turn it on and off here. And let's go ahead and open this. Unfold. Like that. And we have some LED lights around it. And we have the battery. This is how we're gonna put. Perfect. Let's go ahead and test it out. If you're using the remote controller, you need to turn this off. That way you can start playing on the phone. It says instructions. You can go ahead and start playing. Let me turn it on. That way it's gonna sit over here. Let's wait a little bit. We're gonna go to the Wi-Fi. There you go. And find the drone right there. No internet connection. We can go back to the application, LV Pro, setup completed, and go ahead and start playing. Perfect. Now it's ready. Let's see, you can zoom in. Let's go outside and show you. We can go ahead and take out the handles from here and go ahead and put it inside. And here is the other one right there. Let's turn it on, and we're gonna turn this on too. This is what you're gonna see first. Now we can go ahead and test it. Let's turn it on, and next I will turn on the controller. Let's wait for a while, and it's gonna connect it to the drone. Now connected. I can see the video over here. Let's take off. Now it's on. Oh, look at that. It's very balanced. Even though we have some wind. Let's see the video. We can go up a little bit. That's perfect. Let me go up. Oh, it's already too high. And I'm just gonna go to the left and right, front and back. Wind is affecting, but that's alright. Let me turn it to the left, right, and here's front and back. You see, it's stopping well. Perfect. And I can go ahead and land it here. That's it. No problem at all. Perfect. Outside was too sunny, that's why I'm trying to show it to you here. And these are some of the controllers. You can control the camera from here, down, up, as you can see. And you can see the Google Maps over there. Regular camera. There's one touch, home button. It's gonna come back to the same location and take a picture, take a video, and you can zoom in and out from here, as you can see, and you can check some of the satellite information, and you can use it with your phone motions and check the gallery. And these are some of the settings also. And here's the calibration. Okay, now we can go ahead and take off. Right, left, front, back. You can take a picture, short press, take a picture, long press is gonna take a video. Now, took the picture and press long. Now it's recording. It's too shiny outside. Let's take off and I'll show you the recording and the pictures. There's too much wind right now. Right now it's taking a video. And let me go higher. Okay, it's already too high and it's going more than when that. You short press right over here and it's gonna come back to the same location. Now it's trying to come back. Let's wait a little bit. At the same time it's recording. It's very careful. While it's landing, you can use manual control to land it perfectly. Let's see what's gonna happen. I was trying to find a location, safe location, since it has sensor on it at the bottom. That's it. When you press the button, it's gonna come back to the same location. Now it's a night time. Let me turn it on. And I will go to drone Wi-Fi connection and connect it. We can go to the application, allow hold, and start play. Okay, check the quality. That's perfect. And I can go ahead and get the controller, and here is the takeoff. Yeah, perfect. We're gonna go ahead and control it from here, and you can see it that way. Okay, right over there. And let me turn it on. Now we're ready to take off. Press over there. Perfect. Check the lights. I don't like that. Alrighty, I can go forward, backward, right, left, and go down. That was very easy. Check the quality. That's it. Definitely suggest it.